Welcome back to Fit Life Essentials. Today we've got a quick, full-body workout routine you can easily do at home to boost strength, flexibility, and energy levels. Grab some water, find a clear space, and let's get started. Warm-up. We'll start with a quick warm-up. Begin with 30 seconds of jumping jacks to get your heart rate up and prepare your body for exercise. Jump up and spread your legs wide, bringing your arms overhead. Then bring your feet together as you lower your arms. Keep a steady pace, breathe deeply, and feel your body warming up. Core exercise, plank. Next, let's work the core with a 30-second plank. Get down on your forearms with your elbows aligned under your shoulders. Keep your body straight from head to heels, engaging your abs and glutes. Try to hold steady and focus on deep breaths. You'll feel your core muscles working to stabilize you. Lower body, lunges. Now, let's target the lower body with lunges. Step forward with one leg, lower yourself until both knees are at about 90 degrees, then push back up. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and make sure your front knee doesn't go past your toes. Do 10 reps on each side, focusing on feeling that leg burn while keeping good form. Upper body, push-ups. Time to work the upper body with push-ups. Place your hands shoulder-width apart, keep your body straight, and lower yourself down slowly until your elbows are at about 90 degrees. Then push back up. Aim for 10 push-ups. If you need a modification, try them on your knees. This move builds strength in your chest, shoulders, and arms.
Cool down stretch.
Great job. Let's finish with a relaxing stretch. Sit back into a child's pose, knees wide, arms reaching forward and forehead down to the floor. Breathe deeply, allowing your body to relax and let go of any tension. Hold this position for 20 or 30 seconds and feel your muscles unwind. Thanks for joining Fit Life Essentials. You did an amazing job with this quick full-body routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our health and fitness tips. See you next time and keep up the great work.